How are you all the 2023 Kcse candidates? First of all, I want to say thank you and congratulations for being candidates because it's not an easy thing. I know now in our days we used to be told that your days are numbered. It is like we are preparing to die. But as for you, I want to share something a bit about mathematics. We know that mathematics is paper one and paper two. That's first thing you have to know. The second thing is paper one, just section one and section two. Section one carries 50 marks. Section two also carries 50 marks. I want to talk about section 2. So also in paper 2, there's section 1 and section 2. So section 1, basically, these are questions of 3 marks, 4 marks, 5 marks. Those are the questions. In section 2, we have 10 marks question. And I can tell you in section 2, we have more questions. So there's a question you choose, 5 of them. So there's a way you prepare yourself in section 2. There's a way you prepare yourself in section 2 in such a way that when you choose those, because section 2 questions have 10 marks each question. So there's a way you prepare yourself in section 2 such a way that you are going to get 50 marks in section 2. And the reason is this: when you master a topic that is in section 2 and it comes, you can get the 10 marks. So if you master a topic that, let's say 5 of the question, you can get 10 marks, that is 50 marks. Then section 1, you can, if you get there around 30 or 40, then you're at a good position. So I want to start with section 2 topics, paper 1. So the first topic is equation of a straight line. This is a form 2 topic. Quadratic equation. We have calculus, differentiation. We have matrices. We have trigonometry. We have measurement. In measurement here, we are saying area and volume, but here prepare on the areas of linear scale factor, area scale factor, and volume scale factor. We have also number 7. We have rates and ratio. Statistics 1. We are saying there's mean and there's median. Also prepare on drawing of histogram. Number 9, we have vector 1. We only did mainly on collinearity. Then you have linear motion. So if you master 5 of this topic and each topic comes and you get 10 marks from each topic, that is 50 marks, so you'll be in a good position. What I want to say is this: if you prepare on the first 3 or 4 topics very well, and you know those topics are a walkover, can I say that, on you, then the rest will also be simple for you. Don't jump the topics, just prepare. I think the way they have been arranged there is from, can I say, the simplest to, yeah, it can be like that. So if you prepare like that one, you'll be good. Then we have paper 2. Paper 2, I've said also it has section 1 and section 2. So paper 2, section 2, these are the topics. First topic is 3-dimensional geometry. We have vectors, and here we have mainly finding of scalars. We have longitude and latitudes. We have sequence and series. We have probability. We have taxation, compound interest, variation, statistics 2. Then we have graph of trigonometric functions, and the last is matrices and transformation. So these are the papers, these are the topics come on part 2, section 2. So basically, I want to wish you well. Prepare for yourself. Make sure you sacrifice. Sacrifice is what I can define as going an extra mile in doing your things. It is basically comfortable for each one of us to wake up in the morning at 6 and sleep maybe at 9 in the night. That is a basic time. Everybody works that one. And if you want to get an A, by the way, I got an A in mathematics. So I'm not telling something that I'm not very sure of. If you want to get an extra mile in mathematics and get a good grade, make sure you sacrifice your time. There's no easy subject to pass like mathematics, because mathematics, if you know, you know. So sacrifice your time, mind management. Sacrifice unnecessary stories, sacrifice unnecessary movement here and there, unnecessary politics. You know, in our country now, there's a lot of things going on. Those stories will come to an end. So make sure you spend your time on books. Please don't ever be cheated. Mathematics is not that simple that you can just pass without being sacrificed. Put sacrifice, and I can advise you one thing. Advise you: make sure every morning you wake up, you do like 10 mathematics questions, and make sure you know them. If you don't know them, go for consultation. You can also get my number and ask me any question you want to ask me. So if you do like this in the morning, let's say 10 questions, in the evening before you sleep 10 questions. In that way, you'll find that you are revising timetable will be very simple to get an A in mathematics. So I want to wish you well. Prepare for your paper, KCSE. The timetable is already out, and all the best.